Raj Yoga and etc. Yoga has different types. Hatha Yoga, Yoga has different types. Hatha Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Mantra Yoga, Raj Yoga and etc. The stretching practices, special postures are subjected to Hatha Yoga. Union with the deity through karma, that is work or action, is called Karma Yoga. Unity with the Absolute through practices of spiritual wisdom is Jnana Yoga. Union by means of devotion is Bhakti Yoga. Union by mantra or some sacred words is Mantra Yoga. Union through the eightfold practices such as Jama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, etc. we find in Raj Yoga. It is the royal road of yoga. Kriya Yoga basically falls in the category of Raj Yoga, but it has not ignored the best fruits of other types of yoga. The dexterous blending as such has made Kriya Yoga a speciality by which one can get maximum benefit with minimum possible efforts. Kriya Yoga, however, deals with the breathing practices. The breathing is also called life force or prana. This breathing keeps us alive, but the restlessness of breathing is responsible for the restlessness of our mind. By pranayama or some finer higher breathing exercises, mind is brought into perfect stillness. Only then we can arrive at realization of what is called the ultimate reality. Pranayama of the Kriya Yogi in Jama and Niyama, which are nothing but disciplining one's for spiritual practice. Asana to follow. Asana must be Padmasana, Sahajasana, Savasana, Shirshasana, Matsyasana. Asana is the science and art of posture. To prepare the body to sit quietly for hours to meditate. Before doing pranayama, a Kriya Yogi excels in yoga, which is nothing, etc. Pranayama leads the sadhaka to pratyahara or withdrawal of senses, which ensues dharana or concentration, which again leads to the ecstasy of oneness with the cosmic consciousness. Kriya Yoga, the body consciousness of the mind is catapulted to the cosmic consciousness. When the life force activating through the spine and brain disconnects one's attachment to the senses. Every moment you remember, every moment. A practitioner of Kriya Yoga at such is flooded with the divine light generated from the Kutastu, which is also known as the third eye. Before I have told, a still state scales the soul from the material world to a sublime one. The ecstasy reveals meaningfulness oneself to the material mortal existence. Outside mortal existence, meaningfulness of this mortal existence. It is customary to learn Kriya Yoga from a guru or an authorized Kriya master through the ritual of Dikha or initiation. Before I have told, Guru transmits his power and energy to a disciple. This is known as Shaktipat. Shaktipat meaning the Guruji's power generated to the disciple. Disciple. Main light, Guruji, supreme power. So, the disciple, in course of sadhana, Guru is considered a replica of the supreme deity. The disciple, in course of gradual and steady progress of his spiritual journey, understands and feels tangibly that Guru is not a mortal frame. Every moment you remember, Guru is not a mortal frame. He is divinity incarnate. What is embodied in him is the matter of search for seekers through ages. So, the practitioner, the principle of Kriya Yoga is never sectarian. Before I have told, again and again, it is a universal scientific practice. Everyday practice. Half an hour, other time 1 hour, time past 10 minutes more, 15 minutes more. Only then Omkar Pranayama. Only then Omkar Pranayama 12 and Joni Mudra and Paramastha. Sufficient, you will not get sufficient time. Now Pratibha. You may not sufficient time. Every act is action. This is, that is, office, chanting, sleeping, eating, fooding, lodging, etc. 15 minutes or half an hour, every day. Then, many years, I am practicing Kriya Yoga. Many years in childhood, I have felt that Guru is not a mortal frame. A strong cosmic power. Every moment. So, Om Sarveshang Mangalam Bhuvat, James, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu, Ma Kashchi Dukkha Bhag Bhavi. The meaning of the verse is, that means Vedic, Veda mantra, Om Sarveshang Mangalam Bhuvat, Sarve Santu Niramaya. O Lord, everyone, let everyone be blessed. Let everyone be free from ailments. Let everyone who face no distress whatsoever. Om peace. Okay?
Okay, Guruji.